Presenting LG 6.2 kg inverter fully automatic top-loading washing machine in middle free silver color. This washing machine comes with 700 RPM for a higher spin speed, which results in faster drying. The smart inverter technology adjusts the energy consumption to an optimum level depending on the power required. This washing machine comes with a turbo drum to enable powerful washing and cleaning through strong water stream of rotating drum and pulsator in the opposite direction. Smart Diagnosis helps you connect with Smart ThinQ app to check problems with machine in lesser time. This machine has a Punch +3 feature that helps in washing clothes evenly through repeated up and down laundry movement. The motor comes with BMC motor protection to keep dust, insects and humidity away. This washing machine has stainless steel drum to avoid germ, bacteria or rust, thus making the product durable. This LG washing machine comes with Tub Clean feature that completely sterilizes inner and outer tub to avoid bad odor. You can disable the control panel with a child lock to ensure safety. This LG washing machine comes with 2 years warranty on product and 10 years warranty on motor. Avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10 days return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.